Hey guys, here is a 52-inch chrome Craftmade Decorative ceiling fan featuring clear plexiglass blades. I got this fan off of Facebook Dumpster Place today for pretty cheap. Was only missing the mounting bracket and some of the screws, but it's a pretty cool fan nonetheless. And yeah, so here's the light. The pull chain is pulled out for the light kit, so it's just going to stay on for the video, unfortunately. But it has a halogen bulb in there. It's a pretty cool looking fan, though. Pretty sure this fan is actually from 1993, I think. I'm not totally sure. There was 2 numbers on the top of the motor. There was 93 and double zeros. And I don't think this one's from the year 2000. But who knows? Alright, so here's low speed. Can't remember if I mentioned it already, but the chrome is in really bad shape. It's really pitting, but I'm gonna have to deal with that sometime. One thing about these though is I really only see them in big developments. I really don't see them in regular houses. They're usually in big complexes or developments where the place is built by builders, which is where this one came from. But it's alright nonetheless. It's about low, medium. Some of the blades are out of clock, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. And it's gonna wobble a little bit too. It's about medium, here's high. It's moving a pretty decent amount of air. You know, typical Craftmade performance. That's the older Craftmade logo. I think that's the older one. Not entirely sure. The blades are in okay shape too. They're a bit scratched up, but you know, it's still cool having them. You can see the pitting. It's pretty bad. But, you know, that's just the way it is. I turn off the light. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.